Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mudassir Mehboob and I am lecturer here in the Government Postgraduate College Sawabi, and you people are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry with Mudassir. Today we are going to discuss ionization energy and its strength in the periodic table. So let's start. What is ionization energy? Ionization energy is represented by IE. Ionization energy. Simply we can say that energy required for ionization is known as ionization energy. Actually we can define ionization energy like that. It is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an gaseous isolated atom. For example, we have sodium. So this sodium will be in the gaseous state and this will be isolated, mean it will not combine with the other substances. So this sodium is in the isolated state and in the gaseous state. So when we give it an energy of 495 kg per mole of sodium will require 495 kilojoule energy. So that energy will remove the electron from the sodium. So that energy is actually termed as ionization energy. Okay? I hope you now understand it fully. If I can explain it a little further, this is your sodium. Sodium atomic number is 11. So it has 11 proton. 2 proton here, 2 electron here, 8 electron here and 1 electron is here. So in the outermost shell of the sodium, it has 1 electron. So the amount of energy, we give it the energy, हम इसको एनर्जी देते हैं and through this energy we can remove this electron. हम इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को remove करते हैं and that energy is actually known as the ionization energy. Energy required for the ionization of the sodium, that is what the ionization energy. Now look at its strengths. What happened to the ionization energy when we move from top to bottom in a group? Group में क्या होता है इसके साथ? So when we move from top to bottom in a group, the ionization energy decreases. The ionization energy lessens. Why it lessens? Because atomic radius increases, and when atomic radius increases, so the outermost electron go away from the nucleus, so the nuclear hoard is decreased. So less amount of energy is required to remove that. So ionization energy decreases. Effective nuclear charge also decreases when we move from top to bottom. So as the shielding effect, when we are moving from top to bottom, the shielding effect is increases, and so that outermost electron is deprived of the nuclear hoard. When outermost electron is deprived of the nuclear hoard, so it can be removed very easily. So these are the reasons which play an important role in decreasing the ionization energy from top to bottom. Now variation in the period, what happened to the ionization energy when we move across the period from left to right? So in a period when we move across the period from left to right, so the ionization energy increases. Why there is an increase in the ionization energy? Because so the size in a given period, the size decreases, the size squeezes. When the size squeezes, so the nuclear hold on the outermost electrons increases, so that electron require more energy to be eliminated, to be removed, to be escaped from the atom. So that is the reason that the atomic size when decreases, so more energy is required, so ionization energy increases. Okay, and the second one, the effective nuclear charge increases. So when we are moving from left to right, for example, in a period from sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So when we go across the period, when we go across the third period, so the nuclear charge increases. Sodium has 11 proton, magnesium has 12 proton, aluminium has 13 proton, silicon has 14 proton, phosphorus has 15 proton, atomic number of sulfur is 16, so it has 16 proton. So gradually the nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge means the proton. So the proton increases. So as we can say that the ionization energy increases. Why increases? More energy is required to eliminate, to remove, to escape that electron. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. But one thing, dears, do not forget to click the red button. Subscribe it. Thank you.